Hello and welcome to this video tutorial for using Redhaven Outline. This particular tutorial is focusing in on using the search feature of Redhaven Outline, how to find what you're looking for. The first thing I want to talk about is the search dialog box, which is the key to doing your searches in Redhaven Outline. To open the dialog box, choose Search, Find in the main menu, or Control plus F. So here's Search, Find, and there is the search dialog box. All the things that you need to know to begin a search. Basically, in Redhaven Outline there are 4 different types of search. The basic search, the ad hoc search, or the one-time search. This is the search that is present in almost every program that has searches. Basically, you put in what you want to look for, you search for it, it remembers it a little while until you do another search, and then it's gone. The named search, briefly, this is a search where you can give it a name and save it, call it back later. The quick search, this is like a named search, but you assign a shortcut key to it. And the reference search, we'll talk about this later, it's a search that's attached to a node. You can keep it that way. So let's look first at the basic search. This is the normal search that is created and performed and quickly forgotten. It's retained until another search is performed, and then it's forgotten. For this search, you need to put in the text, fill out the options, and press Begin Search. The search will be performed and remembered for a short time. To find the next occurrence of the same text, press F3. This is all standard for most programs. To find the previous occurrence, press Shift F3. This might not be in all programs. This is useful if you want to look ahead for something, then come back. And the search options. Here are the list of the search options. I'm going to perform a search, give you an example of a search, and we'll go over each of these options. So we'll go to the search dialog box. First, you put in the text you want to search. I'm going to put in, for example, wrap. Just whatever text you want to put in there. You can match the whole word, you can match the case, and wraparound. Wraparound is simply that when you get to the end of the outline, it goes back up to the beginning. If you don't have this on, when it reaches the end, it stops. Search direction, up or down. Normally down is default. Search mode, just normal. Whatever the text is just interpreted as straight text, or you can use it as a regular expression. Regular expression gives you the ability to search in special ways. You can look that up on the internet if you don't know what regular expressions are. Search the nodes to search. You can search all the nodes in the outline, or you can search only the visible nodes. By default, all nodes are searched. The fields to search. You can search all fields, or you can select the particular fields you want to search. Here, this is selected to search the external reference. I could put in the keywords, the summary, notes, so I can put in whatever one I want, or just I can select them all. And finally, the search scope. You can search only the current field. This is not very useful, but it's available. You can search only the current node. Again, this is not used very often. You can search only the current outline. Now, this is often used because you know what you're looking for has to be in the current outline, so you just look in the current outline. Or you can search all the open outlines, which is the default. I'm going to search only the current outline, and when I've finished all this, usually I just leave it all what the default is. I say Begin Search, and there it's found the word wrap. Now, if I press F3, or up here Search, Find Next, it doesn't find any more occurrences. It's been all the way around, so it gives me a message. That's your ad hoc search. Let's go back here. If you can have a list of all the things that you have looked for. I'm going to put ad hoc in there and begin the search. There's ad hoc. Press F3 again, again, and then we're finished. Now if I press F3 again, it'll get me back to where I began and goes around again. So that's the basic ad hoc search. The named search, let me actually break this into two tutorials. I'm going to end this one right here, and the next one will be on the name search, the quick search, and the reference search. Thank you very much.